Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 11 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question that we are going to solve today is artist appearance count, and this question got asked in Spotify. Let's see what is the question. So the question is, find how many times each artist appeared on the Spotify ranking list. Output the artist's name along with the corresponding number of occurrences. Order records by the number of occurrences in descending order. So we have to find out what? We have to find out each artist, each unique artist name, and how many times that artist appeared on the Spotify ranking list. And then we have to arrange it in the descending order. So the artist who got appeared most number of times is going to be on the top. Okay, so let's quickly see the table structure so that we can understand better. So the table is similar to the yesterday's problems table, okay, where we have these columns, that is ID, position, track name, artist, streams, URL, stream date, and region. So what we have to do, it's a very simple question. We have to find out all the unique artists and number of times they appeared on the Spotify ranking list. So what we are going to do, we are going to do group by on artist. Here also we are going to write down the column name, that is artist, because we have to see unique artist name and we have to find out count, how many times they appeared. Okay, so we are going to do count star, okay, because it is going to find out artist name, that is, if for example, let's say Matoma. So if wherever it is Matoma, it is going to count all of those and then it is going to store it in the count. Okay, let's give this as a name, that is artist count. Okay, and let's see. So this is what we are getting. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to do order by. So we are going to do order by on artist count, because we have to do it on count in descending order. And see, we are getting this. Okay, so this is all about this question that we have to do, and we have solved it. So now let's see it with the expected output. The expected output is also same. It is matching. We have this artist and he is appearing nine number of times. Then Ed Sheeran 5 times, Matoma 2 times, and so on. Okay, so this is the question. I hope you understood it. And if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. Now let's quickly submit this and let's see if it gets accepted or not. Yeah, it gets accepted. So our solution is correct. So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.